DC solar cable by PNTech is engineered for durability and performance in challenging environments. Its tin-plated oxygen-free copper wire provides excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring reliable operation even in harsh conditions. The fine-stranded configuration increases flexibility, simplifying installation and reducing the risk of damage due to bending in complex layouts. The insulation and sheath, made from irradiated cross-linked halogen-free polyolefin, protect against high pressure, tension, impact, and extreme temperatures. Also, the cable withstands ultraviolet radiation, ozone, and aging, making it suitable for long-term outdoor applications. Its low smoke flame retardant properties enhance safety and compliance with environmental standards. With a lifespan of 25 years, it delivers improved stability. Additionally, it comes in custom colours such as black, red, brown and grey, and offers tailored packaging options to meet various requirements. Established in 2011, PNTech is a high-tech company specialising in the manufacturing, sales, research and development and service of solar accessories. Adopting our one-stop solar energy solution strategy, we provide top-quality products and energy support programs tailored to meet the diverse needs of our customers.